My name is Francesco Cioffi. I am professor of mechanical fluid, environmental hydraulics, hydroclimatology and sustainability science at the Università Di Roma, La Sapienza. I would like to address this short speech on the issues of water cycle sustainability and climate change with the focus on Mediterranean region. As it is well known, the countries boundary the Mediterranean, particularly those to the southern Europe, northern Africa and the Middle East, suffer for water scarcity due primarily to meteorological factors. However, the water scarcity often made more extreme by political, social and economical factors which prevent the sustainable use of the water resource. An example for all is Syria, where an unsustainable use of water resources for agricultural use in the fertile region since the 1970s has made the agricultural system highly vulnerable to the drought of 2005-2010 and has led to the abandon of rural areas, internal migration, further destabilize the Syrian political, social and economic system with dramatic consequences for population involved. Still in the Mediterranean area, even regions in North Italy that historically have not suffered from a particular vulnerability to extreme hydrological events have been hit by episodes of meteorological drought and flood events of intensity never recorded before. The out-of-record of dry river conditions and of recent flood in Emilia-Romagna are sensational examples. These events have demonstrated the climate vulnerability of the territory as well as the unsustainability of agricultural water resource management and water defending infrastructures. This situation will worsen in the future due to climate change, especially in climate hotspots like the Mediterranean region. How to rethink the sustainability of water management in relation to the increased probably change in climate characteristics is the challenge of the coming decades. This challenge implies in the first instance that the state move decisively towards pursuing the objective of the United Nations 2030 for sustainable development, which the most are related to water. Change in agriculture, water management practices for sustainability, taking into account human needs for water, are imperative given the importance that agriculture has for much of humanity in promoting rural development and poverty reduction. The role of the scientific community is to identify and propose economically, socially and environmentally sustainable technical solutions for water management at all the spatial and temporal scale, from planetary to local, regional, that this entails. We have extraordinary advanced scientific knowledge and technology tools to do this. Recent investigations have, for example, highlighted how the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning have significantly accelerated pursuit for sustainability goals. Benefit from artificial intelligence could be derived by the possibility of analyzing large-scale interconnected databases as those obtained by remote sensing tools, to develop joint action aimed at optimizing agricultural production, preserving the environment, or understanding of climate change and modeling of its possible impact. Furthermore, early warning systems for drought, flood and other extreme meteorological events could guide the vulnerable country to provide timely information that they can be used to build resilience, reduce risk and prepare more effective responses. Naturally, that requires promoting permeability and collaboration between the different scientific and technical disciplines, from computer science to fluid mechanics, hydrology, ecology, economy and social sciences, overcoming often obsolete disciplinary barriers.